Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error Java virtual machine problem. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do, just click just type here view advanced system settings, and then select this option, and then click new, and after that you will in the name type Java options, and here this code, and click OK, and then OK again, and after that click OK, and then open Windows Update Settings. Now make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open Task Manager, and here just close applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome, OBS and things like that. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.